Here I have Blackview Tab 6, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility, and here you can find Talkback. So here you can enable it, and after that Talkback tutorial starts immediately.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So as you could hear, Talkback is a mode mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems who can't really see contents on the screen and can't read the text, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text anywhere you tap. So for example, you tap on the button,
Close button. Double tap to activate.
and this button gets spoken out loud. And as you can also hear, to activate any action in this mode, you firstly have to select it, then it gets like spoken out loud, and then you double tap to confirm it like this.
Close
For
tutorial.
example, you tap close,
Close.
double tap to confirm.
Talkback. Navigate up. Button.
So yeah.
Double
So if you
tap
want to disable
activate.
Talkback, you tap on the switcher,
Use Talkback.
double tap,
Stop.
stop please,
Talkback
and
off.
that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.